Hey Derk-Jan.
Hi Rick, nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to see you. It looks like we're going to meet each other in Vienna.
On the 5th of March.
Yeah, at the Tesena Fest conference.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah, it looks great. And what are you going to do there?
Oh, I'm being asked to do a keynote, so I'm really proud to tell you all about built-in quality. So it's a lot about testing and its place in agile development, especially in larger scaled settings. And I'm going to talk about how you can embed quality in multiple steps in the process. So you trust as an organization in the quality of your system and you actually dare to release the systems that you just built.
Okay, so it's not just about testing, but much more about assuring quality from the start.
Yeah, and it's about putting feedback loops at the right spot in the development cycle, which can be testing, but as testers we can also aid the organization to look a little bit wider and make more impact.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah.
I will definitely come and listen.
Okay, and I think you're going to listen to your workshop, but what are you going to do?
My workshop is about the process cycle test. It's a test design technique which can be used for multiple coverage levels for path testing. And I've always been surprised that with ISTQB you don't learn this technique. So this is your chance to learn this elegant test design technique.
And go where ISTQB didn't go.
Indeed.
Yeah, I'll be sitting on the front row.
Well, I look forward to that, Derk-Jan.
And the question is, where are you? We hope to see you in the front row or in the audience as well. See you in Vienna.
See you at the Tesena Fest conference. Bye!